Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to clear Microsoft Edge cache. Let's begin. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Next, click on the three dots in the top right corner to open the menu. From here, select Settings. On the left side, click Privacy, Search, and Services. Then scroll down to the section called Clear Browsing Data. Click on Choose What to Clear. A pop-up window will appear with several options. From the list, check the box for cached images and files. You can also select other items if you'd like, but to clear only the cache, just leave that option selected. At the top, choose the time range. If you want to clear everything, select All Time. Otherwise, pick a shorter range such as the last hour or last 7 days. Finally, click on Clear Now. Edge will remove the cached files, which helps free up space and fix website loading issues. And that's it! You've successfully cleared Microsoft Edge cache. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials.